Hello, I'm Johnny Valencia, General Manager for the Promissory Hotel. Let me show you around. The Promissory Hotel has 27 spacious, luxurious rooms with thoughtful designs. There's a lot of distinct character here, and we're very proud of it. We're located in the heart of downtown Roanoke, on the corner of Campbell Avenue and Jefferson Street. The hotel is part of the Exchange music venue and Suerte restaurant. Suerte offers elevated Spanish cuisine and a wine bar. We're also going to have a coffee shop that offers all-day pastries and coffee. Many of the rooms overlook the restaurant space, which is a beautiful atrium with lots of natural lighting coming through the skylight. This part of the building was built in the early 1900s. Most recently, the space was used as offices.
The Promissory is a great example of our long-term commitment in our community. It supports local jobs, small businesses, and economic health in the Roanoke Valley.
The best way to enter the hotel is through the Campbell Avenue entrance.
Projects like these, revitalization, using tax credits, are not the easiest financing projects. We were able to do it because we're headquartered here. We know the operators, we know the developers, we know the property, and we know the community. So we have the local knowledge that allowed our credit teams to feel very comfortable loaning into a project like this. For financial institutions that are owned or operated somewhere else, they don't have that knowledge. So they wouldn't be as comfortable loaning into projects like this, so they likely wouldn't get done.
We're really excited to bring this hotel to Roanoke, and we hope that you stay with us soon.